Welcome to Coin Fabric's Learning to Scout series on Substrate issues, Polkadot's Rust framework for building modular and extensible blockchains. Today, we'll explore an issue known as empty expect. Using the expect method without an error message causes a panic with no context, making it difficult for developers to diagnose what went wrong or where. This lack of information not only increases debugging time, but also leads to poor maintenance practices. In critical operations, an empty expect can obscure failures that should be properly handled, potentially resulting in unexpected behavior, crashes, or even security vulnerabilities if the failure happens in sensitive logic. Here is an example where this issue appears. In the unsafe getStorage function, the expect call on line 6 is problematic because it provides no context in case of a failure. If example storage is none, the program will panic, but the error message will be empty, making it difficult to diagnose the issue. Without a meaningful message, developers have no indication of why the value was expected or what went wrong, leading to longer debugging times and increased maintenance overhead. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the palette directory and run cargo scout audit. The warning related to empty expect appears, highlighting the issue. To fix this issue, include a descriptive message in the expect method. This change ensures that if the option is none and a panic occurs, the message clearly explains the problem. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description to learn more about Scout. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.